guys and welcome to today's video. So as you can probably tell, I'm in a different room from my uni room last year and my room at home. So this is my new room for my second year house. As you can probably tell, I live in the ceiling, the roof, the loft would be, yeah, the loft. So this is my new little filming setup, I think. I don't know if I'm going to get any fairy lights or anything just because I don't really know where I'd put them because this is a sloping ceiling and whatever else. Anyway, today's video is a room tour, so yeah, keep watching so you can see the rest of my room. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as well whilst you're watching, and do let me know if there are any uni themed videos that you want to see because I am now in second year, so do you know a little bit about being at uni by now? Yeah, here's the rest of my room. When you walk into my room, this is basically what you see. As you can probably tell, I'm in the roof, as I said before. I'm in one of the loft conversion rooms. So when you come in, the door's just here. So when you come in, my desk is here. Window, you know, shelves, drawers, and then also wardrobe. Next to the door I have, I don't know if I can get far enough away from this so you can see it properly, a big wall calendar that I got from our bookshop at uni, which I'm just writing down like events and stuff I have on. Then we have, I've printed out my timetable, printed out my essays and stuff, also all of my reading for the different weeks, but I'm going to do that more in depth in another video, which will probably be the next one going up after this. Then I have my wardrobe, which has two drawers at the bottom, then just, you know, like standard wardrobe-y stuff. And then it's also got shelves in this unit here. My washing bag, a lot of stuff on the top of my wardrobe, my roll mat, bags, fancy dress stuff, just stuff I didn't know where to put. So then down here I don't really have anywhere to put my shoes, so they're kind of all just in a pile. Then on the wall you have this scratch map that I got for Christmas last year. As you can see, shows where in Europe I've been, where in the States I've been, and then somewhere down here, I did show you this in my moving in vlog, right down here, this tiny little island is Bali. If you haven't seen my Bali vlog, please do go and watch it. I spent 3 weeks in Bali this summer with my friends and it was so much fun, and I vlogged the whole experience. Then we've also got this little print from my friend Pia, whose shop I will link down below. I also have a 15% off code that you can use as well, which will also be in the description box. Then when I moved in, the only furniture I had was my desk and my wardrobe, so I brought these shelves from home which have all of my books on. Also, again, there's not that much storage in my room, so some stuff is going down here, so my printer box, suitcase, and then other bits and bobs are down here. Then about a week ago I went to IKEA and bought this really nice drawer set, and I've just used, so it's like stationery, makeup, toiletries and electronic bits. And then on top I've just got all of my makeup brushes, my mirror, perfume, jewellery. On top of here with my books is, I've got these. So this is a light up bottle that my mum got from her friend's shop for me. The cork is actually like a battery pack and it has lights in. Okay, my mum got me for me ages ago for Christmas. And then these two little dolphins I got in a little arts and crafts store in Bali. Then I have my window. It's currently raining. It's a storm in Wales per usual, so that's not open at the minute. Then you have my bed, which I put under the eaves just because I like to feel cozy. I've got the same duvet set that I had last year, which was from Tesco's. Pillows and stuff, a mixture of Primark, IKEA, ones that mum's made me. My little moon dream catcher from Bali, which is really cute. And then moving around onto my desk, on the top I just have my little light box, which I need to put batteries in because this year it's not anywhere near a plug. I've got my folders, so at the moment I've just got philosophy, English and then an admin folder, simply because last year my folders didn't get that full. So I'm only doing 3 folders this year, and if I need to get more I will. The desk is actually really handy because it comes with a whiteboard, so I've kind of put stuff I need to do. There's a little shelf where I've put candles, then we have my printer, my laptop. There's a pull-out drawer underneath here as well, which is really handy, just for like some extra room while you're working. And it just has a couple of shelves as well, so I've just got bits and bobs, you know, like stationery bits are all in here. That's basically my room. Yeah, and then you're back to the door. My desk, there's also a little drawer and a little space there that has like my makeup bags and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what my second year room looks like. If you want a rest of the house tour, I may do that depending on whether my housemates are okay with that, they would literally just be like the stairwell and the kitchen and like the bathrooms. If you are interested in that, do let me know. And yeah, if you did enjoy this and you did watch to the end, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as I said earlier, as it would mean the world to me, and I will see you in my next video.